What's up, everybody? Miguel here, and here we are for another Safe Zone Unicorn Network video. Let's go! Hey guys, how's everyone doing today? Today, guys, I'm going to talk to you about the Twnkl Mobility Coin. And if you don't know what it is, you need to stick till the end of the video so that you can learn everything about it. Well, first thing, the Twnkl Mobility Coin, it's a part of the Rainbow currency. And guys, I will go straight to the Rainbow currency websites. For those who don't know, this is the safe zone. It's a safe place within the internet. It's a part of the Unicorn network. And guys, the Rainbow currency, it was created for specifically the Unicorn network and the safe zone. So I will go to I will just show you guys the Rainbow currency, guys. I will leave on the cards and also on the description link for you guys to understand better what's the Rainbow currency. So this is our trading symbol, which is the YAM. It stands for your everyday money. And I've also done a video explaining exactly what's the YAM. Guys, you will check that video also down below on the description. Now, then I will go to Twnkl Chain, and the Twnkl Chain is our blockchain, and as part of the safe zone, it has the highest standards in privacy, in security, and our utmost quality. And guys, you can see here, this is the 24-hour volume, the 7-day volume, $8 billion, which is really awesome. Total volume, guys, already over $60 billion. And guys, this is just in 2.5 years. Okay, so we are still growing. We are a small digital currency, but we are growing and growing. Now, for you guys to better understand what's the Twnkl Mobility Coin, this is another of our, we call it subcoins, because they are all parts of the Twnkl chain and obviously under the umbrella of the Rainbow currency. So this is Twnkl Estate, guys. I have also done a video about Twnkl Estate. I'll leave that video up here on the cards and a link on the description. Now, this is the symbol that we have for our Twnkl Mobility Coin. And basically, it's everything that is related with mobility, okay? Cars, car sharing, public transportation, and especially, at the moment, the only thing that we have still is our website, that is Twnkl Cars, and that website, guys, I will show you. I'll go back to the safe zone. For the Twnkl Cars, you need to go to shopping, and you will click here on loading a little slow today. I don't know why, it's a little weird. And guys, the Twnkl Mobility Coin, it's really incredible because you can save, I'd say, up to 80–90% in your cars. Imagine that you wanted to buy your dream car. This is for you. Okay, this is the website Twnkl Cars, and we are combining the blockchain technology and together with the smart contracts, guys. The smart contract is where you imagine the digital currency, our YAM, our Rainbow currency. Imagine that the moment is valued, I will just tell you, at the moment. Okay, it's not here exactly. Okay, I will go here to our Rainbow Currency, guys, Rainbow Currency websites, and in here I will just tell you exactly what's at the moment the value of our Rainbow Currency. At the moment it's valued at 0.9077 cents of a dollar per yen. So 1 yen, it's basically 91 cents. Imagine that with a smart contract you set the value, the target value you wanted, imagine, to buy your car in 1 year. It's the minimum. 1 year from now, and you've set that target of, imagine, the yen reaching $4 per yen. You obviously, as the value of the currency is going up, what you will have to pay is way less. So obviously I'm just giving out some numbers. Imagine that you wanted to buy a car that it was worth $100,000. You would, in the Twnkl Cars, guys, you will have the chance. Down below, guys, you can register under me in the Safe Zone and the Unicorn Network and the Rainbow Currency. You can just, guys, any websites that is a part of the Unicorn Network, it's free to join. You can join for free, and you can browse through all the different websites, and you can gather all the info that you need. Obviously, guys, in my channel I have lots and lots of infos about the different projects that we already have. And with that, guys, you can really start getting a better idea of what we have in here. Imagine that you have a target of, imagine, $4, and you want to pay for a car of $100,000. Imagine the yen now it's worth 91 cents. When it reaches $4, your contract would be activated. Okay, after being activated, then it would start the negotiations between the Twnkl Cars and the dealership, whatever it was, specifically obviously in your country. And from that on, after that the contract would be executed after those negotiations, and only after those negotiations you would get your car. Okay, so basically, very simply, it's this. Now we also want to, here with Twnkl Cars, this is just one aspect. I'm sure, guys, in maybe next 1-2 years we will go through these ideas of car sharing, public transportation. So we will start to implement these other ideas that are really going to make a huge change, I'm sure, in many people's lives. So this is really great, because, guys, you can save a lot, and we can start sharing all these ideas with other people, and with this we can give lots and lots of value to them. Well, basically, so this is it from today, guys. Don't forget to give that like down below, subscribe to my channel, click the bell, and turn on notifications so that you can receive all my latest updates. And, guys, don't forget, you can register under me on the Rainbow Currency, the Safe Zone, the Unicorn Network, and learn even more about our incredible projects. Okay, thank you so much, guys, for listening, and I will talk to you very soon.